In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a theme section in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then on the right hand side, you will see the tools section. I want you to go all the way to the bottom, which is where you will find Team Showcase. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the Team Showcase widgets page. From here, click on Create Widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the template section. So on the left hand side, you have a bunch of different templates that you could choose from, and on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will look like on your Webflow website. Now, bear in mind that all of these templates here are fully customizable, both in terms of design and functionality, so don't worry about the initial look just yet. We can customize pretty much anything that you can see on the screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. In my particular case, I'm going to go for this particular template right here because it looks very minimalistic and clean, which is perfect for my website. Once you've selected a template that you want to go with, go ahead and click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your team section to your liking. Now, the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and add all the team members that you want displayed in your widget. So for example, in this particular template here, we have 4 different people. We can actually go ahead and customize each one of these. We don't even need to add new members if we don't need to. So click on the first one, for example, here, change the name, change the position within the firm. Then you can also add a biography, which this guy at the moment is lacking. So if I just type in something here, we will see info here, which is going to expand and then show his biography in more detail. Here is the image of the guy, and then you can add the contact information if you want, then social profiles and any additional information as you see fit. As you can see, it's all very self-explanatory. Then once you then click on done, and it will automatically update. Now, if you want to delete any of the team members here, simply click on actions and then delete. You can also hide, duplicate and edit like I just showed you previously. Now you can also rearrange the team members if you want to, and just to show you what it looks like, if you go ahead and click on add member here, basically the same thing. It automatically adds a brand new member here, and then once you fill the information and provide the photo, they will be displayed right there. Now in my case, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. I'm going to stick with the default team members we have here. Then at the bottom here, you also see groups, widget title, call to action and search. So for example, if you go to groups right here, we can group team members. So for example, you have a HR department, an accounting department, a marketing department. You can group all of these people within their own groups. That way, if somebody's looking at your team members, instead of going for every single one, they can click on the specific department they're interested in, and then they can see all the team members within that department. Then this is the widget title, which is meet our team. I'll leave this as it is. You have call to action here, like a button. So if you click on this, you can see job openings. I'll disable this, and then obviously a search in case somebody is looking for a particular team member in your business. Then once you're done with customizing this part of the template, on the left hand side, you also see layout, style and settings. These are even more customizations you can take advantage of to further customize your team showcase. So for example, here in terms of layout, we have a bunch of different options that we can go with. So I think this actually looks much better than the first one because it keeps it kind of uniform. I like that. You can change the width and the alignment of the text as well. I leave it in the center. Then in terms of style here, the text color is black, which is this one here. Then you can also change the font, the widget background, the widget title, and so forth. I'm not going to go for every single customization you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore at your own pace. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on that website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up. Bear in mind, you can always come back and make any small adjustments to the widget at any point in the future. So from this page here, go ahead and click on publish in the top right corner of the screen right here. It will be a green publish button. As you can see, in my case, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, or if you're just exploring Elfsight, then this is a good plan to go for. Do bear in mind that this comes with some Elfsight branding that I'm going to show you in just a second. So if you want your team section to be 100% ad-free, or if you want to take advantage of any premium features and functionalities, such as using more than one widget from Elfsight on your Webflow website, then you can go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options that you can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead, browse through the different plans, choose the one that works best for you, and then you automatically be taken to this page, which is where we can copy the code for the team section that we just created. Click on copy code and let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Webflow editor here, and what I've done is actually gone ahead and added a brand new empty section, which is where I'm going to have my team members widget. So from here, simply select the section where you want your widget to go, and then click on the plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen. Then search for code right here, click on embed code, and then simply paste the code you just copied from outside in this box. Click on save and close, and then let's go ahead and publish the website quickly. Give it a couple of seconds to update, and then we're going to go ahead and refresh our website preview and take a look at our team members section. As you can see, it's right here. It looks super nice and clean. As you can see, it's also fully interactive. This down here is the little upside branding that I mentioned in the plans section. So if this is too much of a bother for you, you can get rid of it by going for one of the premium plans and it will automatically be removed. Don't worry about this panel you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to go back and make any changes to the widget at any point in the future. But yeah, that's pretty much that's how to create a team section in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.